Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this part in SolidWorks. This is all the dimensions are in inches. This is 2 inch from here and 2 inch there, 2 inch here and 2 inch here. And this is 0.35 and this is 0.75 here, the bore, and the another cut here is 1.5 and 45 degree here. And this is 2.6 inches total. Minus 0.5 and minus 0.4, 0.9 minus this, it will be 1.7 millimeter, 1.7 inches. And there are fillets here. So let's start with this. I will open a new file. Okay. First I will change the units. I will take inches, and on the front plane I will draw a rectangle here. Center rectangle. I will take this rectangle from midpoint. I will take this like this. I will make this and this are vertical like so. I will make this equal. So this is all equal. I will give it the dimension from here to here is 2 inches. 2 inch like so, like this. This is 2 inches from here to here. This is 2 inches. Okay, I will change this to geometry. I will change this, all these to construction geometry. I will make this construction. I will make this construction. Select these all and make them construction. I will separately make them construction. Construction geometry. I will draw a sketch here of 0.35 inches, and same here and same here. I will make them equal. Select all and make them equal like so. I will let me clean this up a little bit. I will draw a sketch here of 1 inch. I will make this a little bigger. I will draw a sketch here of 1 inch. This is not radius, this is 0.5 millimeter radius here, and one more here like so. And I will make these all equal like so. I will draw a line from here to here and make him tangent, and make him tangent to, make this tangent to tangent like so. I will go to circular sketch pattern. I will sketch this 4 times. Okay, I will trim all these, rest of these with the power trim. I don't need these. Please bear with me. Now this is making problems here. I will delete this and these. So this is let me define it again, 2 inches. Okay, let me fully define the sketch relations, fully define the sketch, calculate. So this is the problem here. The sketch is fully defined now. I will extrude it up to 0.4 millimeter, 0.4 inches, sorry, like so. This is done. I will draw a sketch here of 1.1 millimeter, 1.1 inches, like so. This is 1.1 inch here, this diameter here. Okay, and I will extrude it up to this is 2.6 inches minus 0.4 minus 0.5, so this is will be 1.75 inch. Okay, that on this face I will draw a sketch. I will draw a center rectangle like so, and make it construction like this. I will give it a dimension of 2 inches and make them equal. So sketch is fully defined. I will draw a circle here of 0.35 and another here and one here and one there. I will select all these and make them equal like so. Delete this and delete this. It is behaving very strangely. Let me make this and this equal like so. This is 0.35. I will draw another circle here of 1 inch and here also, and there, and one here. I will make them equal, all equal like so. I will take a 3-point arc. I will draw from here to somewhere here. I will make tangent. This and this should be tangent, and this and this should be tangent like so. The radius of this is 1.5 inches like so. I will circular pattern it 4 times. Okay, I will move this to the origin. So sketch is fully defined. I will trim this. The sketch is fully defined. I will extrude up to 0.5 inches. Okay, like so. I will draw a sketch here of 1.5. Let me check. This is 1.5 millimeter and 45 degree here, and 0.75 bore here through hole, and this 1.5 dia is only 0.1 millimeter deep here. I will cut 0.1, and the degree is 45 like so. Okay, I will draw a sketch here of 0.75, and I will cut it through all like so. This is done. There is a fillet of 0.1 here and here of 0.1 millimeter. This is 0.1 millimeter here. It's okay. The part is complete. I will give this fillet color like so, so it will pop out and is just for a visual purpose only. There is a cut here. I will make a cut. I will take this rectangle and just make a arbitrary value here and cut it like so, as per drawing. So this is done. This was the last thing to do, and the part is complete. Nothing more is left to do. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.